In today's digital age, data is everywhere. It's the lifeblood of innovation, driving decisions, and shaping our future. But how does this raw information transform into meaningful insight? Welcome to an introduction to data engineering, where we build the pipelines that make data flow. First, why does data matter so much? Imagine a world without personalized recommendations, efficient logistics, or targeted healthcare. Data allows businesses to understand their customers, scientists to make discoveries, and cities to become smarter. It's the foundation for progress. Before we build, we must understand the raw material. Data types. Broadly, data can be categorized as numerical or categorical. Numerical data involves quantities, like age or temperature. Categorical data represents qualities, like gender or product type. Beyond that, data can be structured, fitting neatly into tables, or unstructured, like text documents, images, and videos. Each type presents unique challenges and opportunities for data engineers. Now, let's explore the data engineering lifecycle, the journey data takes from its source to its ultimate use. It's a continuous process ensuring data is clean, reliable, and accessible. The first phase is ingestion, collecting raw data from diverse sources. Then comes storage, placing this data into robust systems, ensuring its security and availability. Next, transformation and processing. This is where raw data is refined, cleaned, and organized into a usable format. It's about making data ready for analysis and decision-making. Finally, serving and monitoring. The prepared data is delivered to data scientists, analysts, and applications. Ongoing monitoring ensures data quality and system performance. Data engineers work with various formats. Common ones include CSV for tabular data, JSON for semi-structured information, and Parquet for efficient big data storage. Choosing the right format is crucial for performance and scalability. So, who does all this? The data engineer is the architect and builder of these crucial data systems. They design, construct, and maintain data pipelines and infrastructure. While the data engineer builds the foundation, other roles like data scientists, data analysts, and machine learning engineers use this prepared data to extract insights and build intelligent applications. It's a collaborative ecosystem, all powered by reliable data. Understanding data types, the engineering lifecycle, and key roles are just the beginning of your journey into data. If you found this session valuable, please like this video, subscribe to the Tech